What's on the menu today? Actually a really cool build. Is it a T type stream? I see Ultraglides in the title. Does Teha use a lot of Ultraglides? They're not usually my preference, but actually really like these with the config that we did today. They're pretty good switches. Alex, what keycaps did you eat for breakfast today? Hey, chat. Keycap cereal. But like, you know, the cereal's just keycap shaped. How sick would that be? That's $1 million idea, chat. Someone make that. Remember when Alex said Moon Tower giveaway? Me? I said not today. I said not today, chat. I will totally eat it. Oh, I want to unbox something with you guys too. All right, this is actually one of the cool, yeah, JJW KB. Dude, this is probably the fucking coolest thing I've seen in a long time. This is not even a keyboard, chat. It's done by someone who makes keyboards though. But it's like a, oh dude, I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. It looks so fun though. Keycap crisps. When you're bored at work, that Alex notification pops. Hey, what's going on, Wood? The play tray, yeah. Everything Justin touches is gold. This is so cute. Oh, that's bubble wrap. This is so cute, chat. That cool weirdo lull stack had one in green. Look at that. That is so cool, dude. This is so freaking cute, bro. Very nice color too. Yeah. This is so awesome. Shout out to JJW_KB. Justin's stuff is awesome. You can tell my desk isn't leveled too, chat, because it's going over there. But you can tell. This is, even the sound it makes, chat, it's just like a fidget toy. It doesn't serve any purpose. Spin it more. Come on though, chat. That is so satisfying, dude. The anvil looks good. It does look good. Also a screw tray. I mean, yes, you can use it for a screw tray. I'm not gonna lie to you guys though. I end up storing like 1 or 2 screws in my screw trays permanently, and I hate the look of it. I have so many screw trays at this point. A tray where you put balls and screws. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. It's a balls and screws tray. How are you guys doing today though? Take a shot every time Alex spins the ball. That's a late night stream. Hey, you guys know a little secret something? Depending on how many commissions I get next week or over the next month, I actually might do some like super late night streams. This board is crazy. Okay. I honestly didn't know much about this board until Ryan, he's in the chat right now, commissioned me to do this. And I like Snowmo's stuff too. So I was surprised I didn't see this. Oh, it's upside down. Of course it would be. Actually a very interesting board, dude. Actually an interesting one. Alex hasn't done a DGen hour stream in a while. It actually has been a few, huh? All right, let's see what we got here. We got stickers. I'm gonna leave these in here for him. Daughter board. More daughter board. A card. Oh, these are... Bro, I'm sold. I'm actually sold, chat. These are metal. I'm actually sold. Chat, come on. Hey, if you start putting waifus in keyboards, 9 to 15, that's cool. I'm always on DGen hours. Please do it. DGen hour stream. You know what's weird? Those got posted what, this morning? And it just so happens I'm doing one of the keyboards today. Such a weird coinky dink. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I don't know much about Fate at all. So if this is Fate, I don't know. That's the one, truly the one anime which I actually did try to start, and I couldn't really get into it very much. But that was in a time where I just wasn't too into those type of animes. I was more into like slice of life. So something I definitely want to touch upon again. Here's the bottom of the board, by the way, chat. Actually looks super cool in person. I saw this online before I started. That's why I'm not too shocked. Actually pretty neat though. I hear you on Fate. Yeah, on Neptune, I couldn't really get into Fate myself. Cool. This is actually really neat. Yeah, it's a fully themed build. Cool. I mean, even the actual design of the case is pretty nice too. Like, has a subtle curve. We'll show you guys on this. Little subtle curve here on the side. Kind of see it with the reflection. Oh, it's raining hard now. Hopefully the power doesn't go out again. Pretty nice. Interesting. This I'm not too sure is not my favorite thing about the board. Hopefully, Ryan, you don't mind him critiquing this. It's off-centered. I don't love it, but I also don't hate it, per se. Cool, though. One of his best works. I saw it this morning. Alu plate. Oh, my favorite. Archer on the inside weight. Little label on the inside. We'll open this up, too. I'm assuming, is this enameled, Ryan? It's not the cleanest I've seen. It has a little bit of stuff coming off of it, but otherwise pretty neat though. It's centered on alphas. Ah, I see. Saber TKL. Okay, let's actually put the feet on because I like doing that first. Actual nut button. Very cool though. This is actually super sick. I love doing projects like this. I like the katana. I don't know if it's a katana. I think it's a sword of some sort, but again, I'm not too sure about this particular character. Well, sword, yeah. Okay. Let's also test the PCB and actually take a look at the PCB too, because it's actually pretty cool as well. What a fun build. This is going to be a fun night, guys. Dude, today's been like a very chill day, very calm. I think I got a lot done today, and I'm so happy that I also did a little write-up of a keyboard too. Kind of getting back on my writing vibe, which is awesome. Also, cool. I like. Pretty neat, chat. Pretty neat. Very cool. Very cool. Step on me? Hey, yo? Huh? Let me show you guys something. Hey, chat. So Ryan sent over his keycap set too. GMK Ishtar, right? Bro, let me tell you. If you send over any keycap set that's not fully wrapped, bro. Yo, I'm gonna let you guys in on a secret. GMK sets don't really work well in shipping. They don't work well at all, dude. Ishtar is based on this? Yeah, I think Ishtar is pretty based on this. Dude, it's so bad. Like, this was... the keycaps were all over the box, too. Like, there was other keycaps all floating around the box, dude. It's so bad, dude. Like, if you guys are shipping GMK sets that have been open to someone, straight up, bro, just put them in a bag. Just put them in a bag, dude. These don't work this way. Huh? Yeah, dude, it's so bad. Should have done predictions. No, I mean, it was so obvious, dude. It was so obvious. Least scuffed a GMK shipping. You think it's least? Okay, I usually don't like big aggressive typefaces like this, but I actually really like it here, chat. I think it works on the inside weight. I think it really does. Oh, it does not like that. Number 9 of 20. Cool. Looks dope. It's just a shame you won't be able to see it. Yeah, I mean, with any of these weights on the inside, it's the same old story. You won't be able to see it. Finally, a weeb board. Finally. Definitely interesting, too. We have some relief cuts all over the place on this plate, too. I don't think we saw... oh, yeah, there is some relief cuts on the PCB as well, which is interesting. That also might affect some of the sound signature here, but it's not too aggressive. I'm interested to see how this will work. Okay. All right, so now we put this guy in. Is it the right way or is it the wrong way? The right way. All right, we'll screw this in. These. What decimet is that? This is a newer color of my desk pad. Should come out soonish. And why is it so clean still? I've been taking extra good care of my desk pads. I don't eat over them. I don't do anything over my desk pads except type. That is literally my new mantra. Just leave desk pads for being desk pads. Should I just get my MacBook and flash this keyboard? Because I don't have I don't know what happened to my GMK toolbox, but I have no drivers for it. Should I get the MacBook, chat? And we do it via that? Lately, I haven't seen a unique key with good sound. I would say there's been some good sound. There's been some decent sounding keyboards. Oh, I was watching Moon Knight. Do you ever think we'll get an alexotos painting stream? You know, I might do a painting stream for you guys soon. Maybe that's a one-day thing. All right. It is actually connecting properly this time. Oh, okay. It recognized it. Nice. We did it, chat, without having to reset the stream. Amazing. Dude, I have to admit though, love this thing. Absolutely love this thing. MacBook flashing is so much easier. Actually really quick. Not gonna lie, this community is one of the best, most welcome communities I've ever found. I'm super new to the hobby. Not only do you respond to a bunch of questions, but chat helps when they can as well. Dude, I'm telling you, without getting too sentimental, because I don't know if anyone wants to feel stuff right now, but without this community, I would have been a very different person. It has been an absolute joy and pleasure to converse and be around these amazing people, dude. I'm not kidding you. It has been the most amazing, like, heartwarming experience, dude. Amazing. What IEMs? These are the Mangard Zen Ups. Amazing IEMs. But not only do I think this community is like incredible, I've truly learned so much from you guys too. It's been a blast. I appreciate you, Mr. Toes. Thank you, dude. Appreciate you. All right, let's put the keycaps on. And thank you guys again for tuning in to stream. I really appreciate you guys. Fate Stay is a great anime. I still need to watch it all. That's still on my, I think my tastes have changed enough that I'll appreciate it now. Very poggers, dude. The colors of the board Ishtar, just chef's kiss. Very cool. The red peeking through. Yeah, that's kind of a nice touch too, huh? It looks good. All right, so this is a top mount. So I'm expecting to hear, I'm expecting to be a little stiffer. I'm not gonna have a huge expectation for it to be super soft. Classic top mount alphas as well. Alex, can we get a more passionate sheesh? Sheesh! How about that? Is that good? Sheesh! In this case, the second B was in the bars kit. Why though? All right, let's see how this sounds. This is Ultraglides done with 205-0 filmed, and then the springs were oiled, which nice combination, honestly, pretty smooth. We're using TX stabilizers, aluminum plate, top mounted. So let's see what this sounds like, chat. Let us see. Let's open a notepad. Dude, it's so weird not having it here because I tap this with that finger. This takes me a few minutes to get used to. Pretty much, Gabe. Yeah, this is very classic top mount. Honestly, for a top mount. I was actually expecting a little bit more resonance with this case for some weird reason. Maybe it's the weight actually really breaking that up. Pretty nice though, actually. What do you actually type in all these typing tests? I was starting to type and then I missed the Y and then I just gave up. I personally like the space bars without the screws. I'm noticing that, yeah, I might want to alleviate some of the, because you can hear like you can hear some of like the crispness of it like hitting the plate here. And I would like a little bit more subtlety personally, but it's always obviously up to the user. It's a chunky weight. It is. Pretty nice though, I have to admit. Nice alphas, very crisp alphas. Top mount with MX Blacks, never missed. Yeah, it's a very classic sound signature. Very cool keyboard too. I wish I had something to go with the theme of this, like an artisan of some sort, but I actually don't have anything. Very cool though. How are you liking Ishtars? It looks nice. It's a very nice set. I didn't really know this existed until today, to be completely honest with you. Well, until like the other day, but it's a very nice set. Very, very pretty. All right, this is a nice set. Can we see the weight? Yeah, I'll show you guys the weight again. All right, who wants to see the Pokemon cards now? That's nice. Beautiful. Who wants to see the Pokemon cards? Because I think some people did. Wow, it's so nice, huh? Very, very gorgeous build. Ryan, you're going to love this. All right, take care, guys. Enjoy Keyboard KD's stream. I'll see you guys. I love you guys. Bye, everybody. Love you guys. Bye. Pretty much, Gabe.